Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you unpublish your Weebly website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unpublish your Weebly website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you have to make some huge changes into your website. So sometimes it's better to go ahead and unpublish it while you work on it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Weebly dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Weebly account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unpublish one of your websites, first on the top left, you want to click on this drop-down menu and make sure you're working on the correct website. Once you've chosen the correct website, you're going to see this menu on the left, and you want to click on website. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu, and you want to look for this button, Site Preferences. Okay, once you do that, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. Once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to look for this section, Unpublish. Off to the right, it's going to be in blue. Go ahead and click on that. But once you do that, you're going to see this pop up. Are you sure you want to unpublish your Weebly website? They do let you know the site will no longer be accessible to the public. If you're okay with that, click on Unpublish in blue. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my site is no longer published. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unpublish your Weebly website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.